Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Simple Geometry Part 2. This video is a continuation of the previous video. We will look at different angles as measured by degrees, and we will give examples to show where these angles appear in real life. So here are some examples of sharp angles. 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 55 degrees, 56 degrees. So there are four angles. They are all sharp angles because they are between 0 and 90. Here are some examples of blunt angles. 112 degrees, 130 degrees. We saw in an earlier video they are blunt angles if they are between 90 and 180. And those two are between 90 and 180. Angles in real life, let's look at some sharp angles. See this clock here? That angle there is a sharp angle because it is between 0 and 90 degrees. See this angle here for this particular scissors? That's a sharp angle because this angle is between 0 and 90 degrees. Look at these little sectors here. Imagine that, well, you can imagine they're pies, can't you? That's like a pie, this dartboard, and you've cut a slice out. That's a very small slice, and you can quite easily see that that angle in there is a sharp angle. That's definitely between 0 and 90. And when you take a small slice of a pizza, that is definitely a sharp angle. You can see that. Now some angles in real life according to blunt angles. Have a look at this angle here between those two arms there. Don't worry about the red one. See that arm there and this one? That angle there is definitely a blunt angle because that's between 90 and 180. See this angle here for the coat hanger? You can see that's between 90 and 180. This gate here, see this supporting structure here that goes across there? That angle there, for example, is between 90 and 180. The scissors, see how this scissors is opened up really wide? That's why that's a blunt angle. Here it wasn't opened up so much. That's why that's a sharp angle. Okay? And here, the top of the roof truss. See? For example, if you've got that roof there, and that part there, you can see that that part there is the blunt angle. So as far as the square angles are concerned in real life, for example, see those two green lines there on the tennis court? That's definitely a square angle, and that's the same as a right angle. Look at all the square angles here with this window. These stairs here, as you go up the stairs that way and that way, square angle. That way and that way, square angle. That way and that way. And you just keep continuing on, so each of those angles is a square angle. And look at all these square angles here with respect to the door itself and also the doorway. If you have a square, and here we are, we can see this square here, you can see quite clearly that we have four right angles or four square angles, 90, 90, 90 and 90. And when you have a square, that's exactly what you have. Four angles, each of them 90 degrees. And the same with a rectangle. Even though the rectangle is like that, where those two sides are equal, see that? And that side there is equal to that side there. Each of those angles here is 90 degrees. So this video has introduced you to some angles in real life, and we've seen some special examples where they occur.